Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Form V lightsaber combat. Form V, also known as Sheen and Gemso, is a powerful and versatile lightsaber combat style. It builds upon the defensive principles of Form 3, but adds a strong emphasis on turning an opponent's attacks into opportunities for a decisive counterstrike. This form is all about absorbing or deflecting incoming aggression, and then immediately launching a potent offensive. The first variant, Sheen, is expertly designed for blaster bolt deflection. Instead of merely blocking, Sheen practitioners precisely redirect incoming energy back towards their adversaries, often with lethal accuracy. This turns a purely defensive maneuver into a potent offensive strike, allowing a single combatant to engage multiple ranged opponents effectively. It requires exceptional situational awareness and precise blade control. Gemso, the second variant, is tailored for intense lightsaber duels. It emphasizes powerful, parrying blocks that absorb an opponent's strike, immediately transitioning into a forceful counterattack. This style leverages physical strength and aggressive defense to overwhelm adversaries. Practitioners often use broad, sweeping movements and powerful ripostes, aiming to break an opponent's guard and deliver decisive blows. Mastering Form V means seamlessly blending robust defense with aggressive, powerful offense. It demands considerable physical strength to execute its forceful parries and counterattacks, alongside precise blade control for accurate deflections and strikes. The core principle is to never just defend, but to always seek an opening to turn the tide. This form is for those who wish to dominate the battlefield through sheer power and calculated aggression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.